from Alabama the Beautiful, and this is going to be my home. This is a backpack that's going to be my home for 4 months when I visit Latin America and do a Latin American tour. We start in Chile, we go from there to Peru, and then Colombia, and then Mexico City, or Mexico, and we visit all the surrounding areas in between. It's a company called Remote Year. If you would like to look it up, we can work and pay our rent and that kind of thing as we go. I'm traveling with 30 to 40 professionals, and this, my friends, is all of the cosmetics or toiletries that I'm going to take. So I wanted to go over this because there's a lot of recommendations in here, and the video gets too long if I try to do them together. So here's the cosmetic kit for 4 months. First thing you have to remember when you're packing is to make a list ahead of time. It may take 2 weeks to make a list, and that's okay, and you can keep adding to it. I keep personally in my phone 2 lists, one winter, one summer, so I can be ready to travel just like that. The summer list, of course, will have sunscreen. The winter list will have gloves, for example, and so I can just quickly get dressed in case somebody calls and says, let's go, I am packed and out the door. But this little toiletries kit came with this backpack, and this is called a cube, and this is, according to YouTube, this is the way to pack these days, and I agree. It's been pretty interesting, and everything did go in there and in my little satchel, and I still have some room, and I'm quite tickled with myself. So this is the name of the company. It's Hanes Eagle, and this backpack has several suggestions on its cube, and this is our toiletries cube. First thing is my little scruffy sponge. I do this because it's very important that you do make sure. I don't like washcloths very much. I love these because they suds up. I put it inside a Ziploc bag, and then I poke holes in so that when I do pack, it doesn't get soured. This one is much smaller. It is a travel size. I think you can probably find it at Walmart. It's a travel size, and that way it packs down really compactly. Okay? First thing. Then I have my blinders. We are going to be in different parts of the world, and it's going to be difficult to sleep sometimes, especially when I get there, because I don't know about the lighting, and light does, of course, make you wake up, unless you go to sleep when it's light, but it does make you wake up. So until I get adjusted, I have these, and they will also be for the plane. I am taking 2 brushes, my wet brush, and if you don't know about wet brushes, I feel sorry for you, especially if you have long hair. This is incredible. A wet brush will comb through any hair, any child. I'll tell you, I can't begin to tell you how many of these that I have sold, and this just feels great on the scalp too. Sometimes I'll just do my hair just to relax myself, just brush my hair. It is absolutely the most comfortable brush that I've ever had. And then this one, I'm a little ashamed of the hair that's in them, but this is a technique brush. I love these brushes. It comes with different numbers on the ends, and I think my hair is going to be about this length or maybe a little shorter, so I'm taking this brush. I like the metal barrel because it gets really hot and then it gets really cold, so I can freeze a curl. So you run after your hair gets about 70% dry, put this in, blow dry about 5 runs of heat, and then either hit the cool shot for 5 runs, or you just sit there for 5 runs, count to 5, and you have very nice body and very nice curl in your hair. So this is absolutely going. I am still torn about whether to take my miniature blow dryer or not. I do have room for it, but there are different electrical needs there in South America, and I'm wondering, even with the converters, there's going to be several different countries that we're going to be in. So I don't know. I'm very torn about that, and I'll figure that out later. So I'm not even buying my converter until I get to the countries where I go, the electrical current converters, because I don't know. But you can. I took a blow dryer one time to France or Italy, and it didn't work out well. The converters didn't work, and the blow dryers were like, it was awful. So I don't know about the blow dryer. All right, I am taking a comb. I am a hairstylist, and I can do some work while I'm over there on these people. I'll have 30 to 40 professionals, and hopefully I'll be doing all their hair, and I don't want to have to buy a whole pack of combs. I'll already have a comb. And plus, I can so see myself with kids, teaching kids, little girls, how to do braids, or little guys too, how to do braids. All right. I'm not taking these, but I do want to show you them. These are makeup glasses, and they're wonderful because you can see your eye on this side, then you rotate over and you can see your eye on this side. So if you're a person who needs to see your makeup better as you age, this is bomb diggity. All right, so the biggest tip that I have to tell you here, I made the mistake of buying one that was the same power as, or the same magnification as my regular glasses that I read with, which is 1.25. Well, that was just stupid because you're only looking through one eye at a time. So I should have probably bought the 4, level 4, and I have a 1. I think the 4 is the highest you can go anyway, but I should have bought level 4. So I will make sure that the links to these products are on the below or on the video above, so that you can purchase them through Amazon if you'd like. But this is a great idea, and I'm sorry I did not invent that. All right, my cleanser. I like the cleanser from the actual, it's Equate, and it is the Equate Clear Seal Cleanser. I love it. And then I put an apricot scrub, so I will have both in here. And I chose to use the Ponds. I really do like Ponds a lot, and so I have really great little things. You can also put sunscreen in these type things. I do keep them. This is my moisturizer that I'm taking, and yet that may not be enough for 4 months, but guess what? I'm not going to a remote jungle. I'm going to a big city, and in airports you'll have the duty-free shops. So it's not like I can't purchase anything. It's not like they won't have the equivalent of a Walmart, and I love to try other products. So these guys are protected. They're not going to get squished and then bleed out all over my suitcase. So those are the moisturizers. This is not this shampoo and conditioner, but these are really nice containers. So I did get these at Walmart in the travel section. But I put my professional shampoo and conditioner in there, and these are really great sizes, right at the size, 3 ounces, which is at the size that you can have in the airport. No luggage will be checked, so everything has to be 3 ounces or less, all right? Next thing. Oh, I got a tampon, and only one of them, because I am constantly lying about my age. And so I think that maybe if I run into some kind of young guy or something, I'll accidentally drop my tampon out somewhere at some point, and he'll think I'm still having my period. You think I'm kidding, don't you? Okay, then, this is my... I have so much fun. I can hardly wait to show you guys the adventures that I have. All right, this is a paste. I have several hair pastes. I have just now started playing with this. This is a Aquage, and I don't know if I like it that much. I've got a couple of other products, and I will let you know how I like this one, but I've just started, and right now it feels a little sticky, so I don't know if this will make it, but how about that nice, slender packaging, and that's the reason why I went ahead and picked it. All right. Body wash. I like body wash, so I did get body wash and hairspray. Kenra has a, Kenra has a small travel size hairspray, and I'm telling you, Kenra hairspray period is really the bomb. But their travel sizes, it appears like a really small bottle, but it's not. I wouldn't be surprised, because I don't use lots of hairspray, I wouldn't be surprised if this bottle lasts me the whole way over and back. But this is Kenra 25. There's different, the 25 means really strong. I think there's a 30. It's the strongest, and then it goes all the way down to like a 15, like a shaping spray. But Kenra has it going on with the travel size hairsprays, just so you know. All right. We have got a sewing kit, and it's not so much about the sewing as it is about the needles in case you get a splinter, and I think that's very important. I have a thing about smells, so I will be taking some spray for the bathroom. I don't know if you guys know about Poopery, but it's really impressive, and I will absolutely have Poopery, and I will have this in case somebody else doesn't have Poopery. We are guaranteed a bedroom, but we're not guaranteed an independent bathroom, even though most of the time we will. So that's going to be an important thing for me. I have a very tiny sample of cologne, and this came in a little 4-pack at Sephora or Victoria's Secret or something like that. So I have that for when I'm feeling frisky. And I have my favorite deodorant, thanks to my sons while we were traveling. This is called Bear Glove. I'm sorry, no it's not. Yeah, Bear Glove is the one that I like, but this is called Wolf Thorn. But anyway, this is small. It is for a man, but it does not smell like a man. I absolutely love this, and it is going along the trip. And my favorite my favorite curler is from Revlon. I will be sending you a link to this. This is my favorite, period. You can also heat this when you put it on, and you can also get refills, which is what I just did. Now, makeup. I really like Revlon's makeup, Color Stay. I just do. It works for me, but I always have to have an under eye because my eyes are darker. So I will be taking an under eye and a color. This color will not last me the entire trip, I don't think, because my skin changes. It's the summertime now, and we're going to winter in Chile, so my skin will change, and but that's okay. They have makeup in South America, okay? No big deal. I will absolutely be taking my Grande Lash. This is how you can get your lashes to grow. This is the competitor to, I can't think of the name of it, but the lash growth that you get, Latisse, that you get in your doctor's office. I love it. It's called Grande Lash. I will leave you a link to it. I will not leave home without it. As we age, we start with 3 to 4 rows of eyelashes, and then those eyelashes get down to like 1 and 2 rows, and that's why mine were just going away, and this really helped me. I use it on the top and the bottom. It lasts for about 3 months, so this guy is absolutely going with me. My favorite mascara is Falsies. It will be going. My favorite lipstick. I will just be taking 1 tube of lipstick. And this is from Revlon Color Stay as well. And it will stay. It will stay all day. Put it on. You got to leave it for 2 minutes before you put the other guy on, which is the gloss that goes on the other end. And look how slender it is and small. 1 tube of lipstick. You can do it. I just know you can. There will be earplugs in here, okay? There will be my toothbrush, toothpaste, and it's in a nice little container thing. This is just something from Walmart. My very favorite razor, and one that I highly, highly recommend. This is actually the let's see, it's the Mach 3. It's Mach 3 from Gillette. Mach 3 from Gillette, and I can't tell you how good this razor is. This razor that's in here now may have been here for 6 months. Now, I don't shave every single day, but this may be here for 6 months. I will change this razor before I leave, and I will not touch it again. This is an incredible razor, ladies. I'm telling you. I don't know how men do with it. The blade is fairly expensive, but I don't use but about 3 a year. It's absolutely incredible. And then I have alcohol swabs in here. And the final thing that I have in here is a little makeup kit that has just a few shades of makeup. I don't know if I'm thrilled with this, but I do like the fact that I can put both of the little brushes in here. These are travel brushes, and you can see I have one that is very thin. This is for my eyeliner and for my brows. And this guy is for the in-between shadows, every other shadow. I also have one blush brush, and this palette has one blush. I was trying to find an eyeshadow that could be a brush, but I couldn't find it in this particular line. So I have one brown that is for brows, and of course I can use that for under eye. I have a deeper purple, it's kind of a neutral purple. I have a color that's kind of a rust color. I have black for my eyeliner, and then I have 2 neutral shades that are for the overall shadow. And that is my kit for all of my toiletries. That's it. And guess what? I'm going to be fine. You will too. I'm telling you. Just quit overthinking it. Realize that you're not going to the end of the earth, and realize that you're going to be learning more. You got to study the journey instead of the problems that you could have on the way down. So just enjoy. Pack what you like, and if it's not favorite, if it's not functional, don't pack it, and then get on the road and have a fabulous time. I need for you to watch, and I need for you to follow. I need for you to do thumbs up and join our community as I travel this next 4 months starting in July 27 through December 1, and there's going to be lots of great adventures, and I look forward to sharing them all with you. I hope you have a phenomenal day.